Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tori no miso mayo cheese yaki. It's grilled chicken tenderloin with miso mayo seasonings and some cheese. Chicken tenderloin is very lean and it can be too dry depending on how you cook it. But the miso mayo seasonings keep the chicken so moist. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the dish. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 8 chicken tenderloin. Shredded mozzarella as much as you like. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. 1 tablespoon of miso, and if you want to make it spicy, shichimi Japanese chili mix. Let's prepare the miso mayo seasoning first. Miso into mayonnaise. Shichimi chili mix if you like. Give it a good mix. And it's done. And chicken. I want to remove this tendon here. So prepare fork and paper towel. Put tendon like this. Grab it using paper towel and pull. And you can easily remove the tendon like this. Prepare parchment paper. Put chicken, cover it, and roll it out to flatten it. Like this. Place the chicken on the oven sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm preheating the oven at 250 by the way. Then, spread the miso mayo seasoning. Let's sprinkle some shredded mozzarella. Okay, let's grill in the oven. Grilled for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and it's done. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The chicken is so moist and tender. The miso mayo seasoning and the cheese completely mask the leanness and dryness of the chicken, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tori no miso mayo cheese yaki is the main, so it goes here. The main is rich, so let's have something healthy for the other dishes. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. Onion salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!